पोस्टल मतदानाचे कोफू जावन सध्या राजकीय पक्षांक हुसक्याक कारण जाला। ताचेर पणजे ब्रेस्तारात सर्वपक्षीय बसका जाली। बीजेपी आनी आपान ह्या बसकेक कूस मारली। बसकेक पोस्टल मतदानाचेर थारला ते अशें.
The conclave demands that the ECI and the CEO explain under what provisions of law and guidelines the said special camp for the postal balloting was conducted. The secrecy of the vote and the voter is compromised as identification of the voter is possible on account of the serial number. Due to the long drawn postal balloting schedule, there are complaints of intimidation and luring of voters and perception of the same is very high in Goa. So जेन्ना 10 लाख लोक एका दिसा वोट करतात तेन्ना 18,000 जे सर्वीस वोटर आसात तांकां 35 दीस दिवपाचें हें खंयच जस्टिफाय जायना. आनी जसो आमचो सगळ्यांचो डिमांड आसा की हें वोटींग कॅन्सल करचें, पोस्टल बॅलट कॅन्सल करून इलेक्शन कमिशन ऑफ इंडिया हेणी सुमोटो घेवचें मॅटर, कारण तेंची इन्स्टिट्यूशन इज एट द स्टेक, डेमोक्रेसी एट द स्टेक, आनी तेणी रिपोलिंग करचो एक दिसाचो आनी सगळ्यांचें वोटींग परत घेवचें मशीन यूज करून.
Our democracy is very, it is not who wins or who loses or which party comes to power, but you have to come to power through the main doors, corridors, not from the back door. Ek Rajmargan fude ya, not from the Chor Margan. So the conduct of certain political party, maybe I say the ruling dispensation appears to be such, they are resorting such things with the frustration coming down, because there is definitely a case where the people of Goa has expressed time and again about this ruling dispensation, and obviously a message has gone loud and clear to them. They are on the brink, they are on slippery note, they are going to go, and in order to save their face, such tactics have been resorted to, and unfortunately the institution like Election Commission is falling prey to such pressures. So the finger has been raised. Now Election Commission has to come out clean on it, and they owe an explanation not to the political parties but to the people of Goa.
नावेलीच्या आर्मी मतदारांचो विशय ह्या बसकेत आयलो. वेंचणूक आयोगान दिल्लीच्यान आपली टीम धाडून आर्मी मतदाराचे एनरोलमेंटाचेर चवकशी करची म्हूण पक्ष मागतात. गोवा स्वराज पार्टीचे फुडारी आनी नावेलीचे मतदार इनान्सियो वाजान आर्मी मतदारांचेर हायकोर्टात याचिका घाल्या. 18 आनी 19 वार्डांत परत मतदान घेवचें म्हूण ताणें मागलां.
The BLO has not gone and done the verification of the voters. Under which rule and under which law does the commanding officer of army camp is allowed to verify the voter and send to the CO's office to register them? We have filed a writ petition in the High Court today in this regard. Whoever, if the commanding officer has been the verifying officer there, being in the defense, and we all know who controls the defense of this country, the defense minister. We expect, we feel that there is intimidation there. For what reason? Otherwise this 600 plus voters would not come there. We have prayed to the court to revise the electoral roll of 33 Naveli Assembly constituency in accordance with the law. Now we are not going to tell the court what is the law. Whatever is there, they have to do by that. And the second thing, order or direction to hold a repoll in part 18, part 19 of 33 Naveli Assembly before the election results are declared on 11th of March. This is our prayer.
So जानेवारी ते 18 जानेवारी ह्या 8 दिसाच्या पिरियडान जे सप्लिमेंट टू रिविजन आशिल्ले, ह्या 6 जानेवारी ते 18 जानेवारी पर्यंत 642 नावां घातल्या गेले, न्यू एडिशन्स, आनी सगळी मिलिटरीची नावां. सो हातून स्पश्ट जाता की दिस वॉज डेलिबरेटली डन at the instruction of certain union cabinet ministers sitting in Delhi. नाल्यार हें जावपाक शक्य ना. हातून स्पश्ट जाता दुबाव. आनी हे जे पोस्टल बॅलेट जे चालू केला हे ताबडतोब बंद करचे, कारण देर आर थ्रेट्स which have been given to the people. People have been had been told that की अमके सिरियल नंबर तुजो म्हूण आमकां खबर आहा. And today we have kept our differences aside and all the political parties of opposition have come together. The ruling Bharatiya Janata Party was also invited. Only they have not turned up here. So this clearly shows the nexus. आमी आनी काय उलोवपाची गरज ना.
प्रुडंटा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर लौकिक शिलकार आनी व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट शिरीष कुंकळेकार.